everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday, well, today's a Monday snack, not really a meal, I guess. But this is how to roast any kind of nut. Today we chose walnuts in the slow cooker. So it's recipes.net is where we got this from, and Mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But, it's getting closer to fall, and you want some roasted nuts or, like a snack. And that's got protein and stuff, so that's what this is. And my mom chose walnuts because that's one of the few nuts she's not allergic to. So this is how you roast walnuts in a slow cooker. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
So we are making some walnuts. We are going to roast them with seasoning, whatever seasoning you like, in a slow cooker. We are using the blend because, it's my favorite. So no oil required. They're gonna roast and they create their own oils. And you were supposed to preheat the slow cooker. So you preheat it on low until it gets warm. Then you put the walnuts in there or whatever nuts you're doing. I shook the seasoning on it and then stirred them up, and you want it to be a single layer across the bottom. You don't want to stack them. So that is how it's gonna roll. For 2 to 3 hours, every so often you stir, and then at 2 to 3 hours you check them, and if they're like golden brown and starting to smell, then that means that they are done. So that's what we're gonna watch for. All right, it was 2.5 hours, I guess, almost 3. And so you can tell that they're golden brown. You can smell them. And you put them on a cookie sheet to cool. Once they're completely cool, then you put them in an airtight container and you're good to go.